Today I'm going to take apart a petal and remake it using the lace as you go method to show you the difference. Not only will you have a better looking petal, you will save money on beads and wire too. If you are new to French beaded flowers, you may be interested in my book, Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. This book will walk a beginner step by step on how to make bead and wire flowers. Also check out my video on the fundamentals of French beading to get started. I made these petals about 3 years ago and laced along the center once after it was made. I don't know why I didn't lace in more places. My mind was probably not right at the time. I'm unwrapping the rose here. Now let's make it lacing each row in. This is a large petal, so I need to lace in about 4 to 5 places. After making some more rows, I'm lacing along the top. And now I'm lacing along the bottom. And then lace along the top again. Let's continue making the rows, lacing at each spot. Lacing the rows in as I made the rows saved me 7 inches of wire. Now let's weigh the beads to see how much in beads I saved. Over 1 gram of extra beads used. It adds up when you're making multiple petals. Why wouldn't you want to have a neater looking petal and save resources at the same time?